Hello friend, this is Christian and from today onwards we will explore the history. So in this session we will explore Indus Valley civilization. So first question comes in our mind after hearing the word history that who was the father of history? So father of history was Herodotus and he was a famous Greek historian. Indus Valley civilization was the first Indian urban civilization. Indus Valley civilization also called Harappan civilization because Harappa was the first discovered place. Harappa is also called Gateway of Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization discovered by Dayaram Sahani Madhav and Swarup Vats in the year 1921. Harappa village is in eastern Punjab province, eastern Pakistan. It lies on bank of Ravi River. Foreign traits of Indus Valley Civilization. The Indus Valley people generally prefers copper from Khetri, Rajasthan, gold from Karnataka and Afghanistan, silver from Afghanistan and Iran, tin from Afghanistan and Iran, turquoise from Iran. Turquoise are different colors of stones. The script used by peoples of Harappa was Harappan script, which depicts the expression. Harappan script first came into light in the year 1853 and later on 1923 and 1924. Some special features of Indus Valley civilization. They are town based on grid system. Grids are multiple squares and the houses of peoples of Indus Valley located at the corners of these squares and the space vacant between these two squares for the streets. Their drainage system generally covered. They used burnt bricks, equal weight for equal scales, money in multiple of 2 like 2, 4, 8, etc. The people had developed wheel cart drawn by cattle to transport trade goods. We got the evidence of bull, horses, etc. In Indus Valley civilization, in agriculture, they understood the land and used irrigation techniques, canals, and various farming implements and established different areas for cattle grazing and crops. The boundaries of Indus Valley civilization, their southern boundary up to Daimabad, Maharashtra, lies on bank of Pravara River, western boundary up to Sukhajandar, Balochistan, Pakistan, lies on bank of Dask River, eastern boundary up to Alamgirpur, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, lies on bank of Hindon River, and northern boundary up to Manda, Jammu and Kashmir, lies on bank of Chenab River. Harappan civilization was world first Bronze Age civilization. Capital city of Indus Valley civilization was Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Chowdaro was the industrial site of Indus Valley civilization. Different factory like bead factory located in Chowdaro. Lothal was vital trade center in Indus Valley civilization with the trade of valuable ornaments to West Asia and Africa. Mohenjo-daro is the largest site of Indus Valley civilization which is located in Pakistan. After Mohenjo-daro, Harappa was second biggest place of Indus Valley civilization. Dholavira is the largest site located in India. Important crops in Indus Valley civilization generally wheat, barley and rice etc. Important findings in Harappa was dice scale, clay figure of mother goddess etc. They generally worship snake, water, trees, rocks and mother goddess etc. Mohenjo-daro discovered by Rakhaldas Banerjee and John Marshall in the year 1922 after the discovery of Harappa. Mohenjo-daro located in Larkana, Sindh, Pakistan. Important findings in Mohenjo-daro was Great Granary, Great Bath, clay figure of Pashupati, Mahadeva, bronze image of woman dancer, copper scale, cotton clothes, etc. Great Granary was largest building of Indus Valley civilization. Declining cause of Indus Valley civilization was flood, earthquake and tsunami, but the main reason why lots of historians was climate change. So we will wind up this session here. Hope you enjoyed this session. If you enjoyed this session, please like, subscribe and share and press the bell icon for the latest notification. Thank you.